Hello students. Now the next question is fourth part of question number 4th exercise 3.5. Now what is the question? Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in an hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Again, we have to find two things, two speeds of two cars. So first, let speeds of two cars be x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour. Now distance between A and B, total distance is given, that is 100 km. It is already given. Places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. So distance, it is 100 km. Now listen students, according to question, if both cars travel in the same direction, so what will be the concept if they will travel in the same direction? Speed of first car is x km per hour, speed of second car is y km per hour. Let speed of first car is greater than the other. Clear? X is greater than y. So if they are in same direction, so in this case, if they are traveling in same direction, then the relative speed will be the difference of both cars. The relative speed will be the difference of both cars. If they are traveling towards each other, then the relative speeds will be the sum of speeds. Clear? Now it is given they meet in 5 hours if they travel in same direction. So speed, both cars, time taken if cars travel in same direction, it is given already 5 hours. Now what will be the remaining, what will be the relative speed? X km per hour and y km per hour, they are traveling in same direction, so relative speed will be x minus y. Now the distance was 100 km and they meet in 5 hours. So what will be the speed? Speed is equal to distance upon time. So distance is 100 km and time taken is 5 hours. So that equation will be x minus y, 100 divided by 5, that is 20. It is the equation number first, because they are traveling in same direction. Now the second condition is if they travel towards each other. Now again, time taken by cars if they travel towards each other. Towards each other, that means both are in opposite direction. Towards each other, it is 1 hour. It is already given in the question. So what will be the relative speed in this case? The both cars are traveling in traveling in opposite direction. They are coming towards each other. So x kilometer per hour speed of first car, and here y kilometer per hour speed. So if they are coming towards each other, then the relative speed will be sum of both cars. So we can say, so x plus y, relative speed, that is x plus y, will be equal to, now they are taking 1 hour, total distance is 100 kilometer. So speed is equal to distance upon time. So 100 upon 1. So we can say x plus y is equal to 100. It is equation number 2. Now we can solve these two equations by any method, any algebraic method. We are applying here an elimination method. So solving equation first and second, x minus y is equal to 20, and the second equation is x plus y is equal to 100. Here we can eliminate y because both have opposite sign, they can be cancelled. So we are writing adding. We are adding both the equations, so y will be cancelled. X plus x, it will be 2x, and 20 plus 100, it will be 120. So x is equal to 120 upon 2, that it will be 60. We can put this value either in equation first or in equation second. So we are putting in equation second. Now putting x equal to 60 in equation first. So x plus y equal to 100. X is 60. So 60 plus y is equal to 100. So value of y will be 100 minus 60, that is 40. That means speeds of car is 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour. So speeds of cars is equal to 60 km per hour and 40 km per hour. Clear? If you have any doubt, then you can write in comment box. Please write if you have any doubt. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.